What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. As you can see, we got another Glock today. Let's go ahead and open them up. What I have here is the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. There you go. MOS meaning the modular optic system, so you can mount a red dot on here. You got that, and then it came with 2 extra magazines, some extra clip-ons for your grip and whatnot. You got a mag loader, lock, a little cleaning supply, whatever. And then it came with multiple plates for the adapters for your red dot setup. And then it comes with your typical instructions and yada, yada, yada. So one of the reasons why I went and got another Glock is because I really like Glock. They've been super reliable. I don't think I've ever had an issue with any Glock. I haven't had a malfunction or anything. So I really appreciate the Glock. I wanted to get the Glock 19 because I have the subcompact and the full size. So I wanted to get a compact size just to be in between, I guess. And it feels very good. It much more comfortable than the subcompact. Kind of fits almost perfect in the hand, even though I have larger hands. It is chambered to 9mm. One of the things that's different for the Gen 5, one being the MOS slide, also the serrations on the front. I really like that because it makes it easier and quicker to manipulate in different situations. It gives you that nice grip up front. Same with the back, but all Glocks got that in the back. One of the things I really liked about this one in particular, it had the ambidextrous slide release on both the left and right side. And me being left-handed, that helps me out a lot because I much prefer doing that than going over and do that all the time. So that is an added bonus. The mags are 15 round magazines. There are other options of extended mags and whatnot, but I think 15 rounds is a good spot to be in with round capacity. It's got the same texture as most other Glocks, although I did notice it did not have the finger indents as other Glocks do, which is okay. Doesn't really make that much of a difference when you're holding it. The barrel length on this one is 4 inches, and then the overall length is 7.28 inches. It weighs about 21 ounces, and I think it's a nice little piece. I know a lot of people are into the Glock 19s and Glock 17s and all the other Glock variations that are out there. But I think the Glock 19 is probably the most popular, in my opinion. Everybody and their mama got one. I did like the sights that came with it. It is the AmeriGlow. I really like the orange up front because it helps you align with the rear sight. Another reason why I got this is I plan on putting a red dot on there. I know I gotta jump on the bandwagon of everyone using a red dot. I've always been more of iron sights on a pistol, but I'll go ahead and try it out. But yeah, that's a little overview of the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.